Hey everybody, what's up? So we're going to talk about kind of a sensitive subject today. I'm sure everyone out there has that one friend who snores. You know, most people don't believe it when their friends or family or their significant other says, "Hey, you snore." You know, just to put it out there. My friend who snores is our co-host, Adron here. I asked him to text his friends and family and his girlfriend and ask the simple, straightforward question, do you snore? And so we're going to see if people responded to that on this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey everyone, what's up, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin, and
Hey everyone, I'm your host Adron. And if you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
what he said. Hey buddy. So did you send out the text?
Oh yeah, I sent it to everyone.
Oh, well, there we go. So, are you ready for whatever honest answer there is? Because I already told you, he didn't believe me, so.
Yeah, they're all just gonna say no, so I'm not worried. Hey, actually, I got one right now. Let's see.
Oh, everyone's responding. Hey buddy.
Yeah?
So do you snore?
Yes.
Oh. Well, not a problem. Today we're going to be reviewing an anti-snoring device. Yes, I know. Guess what? It's called the Snore Circle.
What?
Well, all good. For the sake of my friend here, everybody out there, and I've been accused of snoring every once in a while too, we are going to review something that is going to help alleviate that problem right at its core. It is called the Snore Circle.
The Snore Circle sounds like a great device to me. The Snore Circle allows you to get improved sleep quality, more energy, and better well-being with a quiet and restful sleep.
Quiet, restful sleep. Doesn't that sound wonderful? The Snore Circle is, and I quote, the world's smartest anti-snoring solution.
And there's an app for you to use as well. You see, Snore Circle you can use everywhere. At home, in your office, at a hotel, dorm room, even the great outdoors.
You can take your Snore Circle camping, and it works there too.
With the Sleep Plus app, which comes with the Snore Circle, you can track how well you're sleeping and the amount of sleep you get each night.
A lot of people think that you can get by with 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and honestly, that is not true. Lack of proper sleep leads to all kinds of short-term and long-term health consequences. You can alleviate a lot of things that could go wrong with you simply by getting a good night's sleep.
Yes, and the Snore Circle can help a lot with that good night's sleep. And it's super simple to use. All you have to do is charge it, turn it on, and then attach the electrodes, put it under your chin. Sleepy time. And snoring happens for a variety of reasons, but one of the biggest reasons comes from closing in your throat.
Right. It could be a health problem. It could be a weight problem. It could be allergies. It could be, you get sick, you have a cold, and point is you get clogged. And right when your muscles are relaxing to the point where you're about to drift off and fall asleep, it catches, you wake up, it interrupts your sleep, it affects your mental well-being, it affects your physical well-being. This is not something that you want to have. And if you have a snoring problem or sleep apnea problem, they tend to be related, not only are you going to aggravate those around you, it's also just not good for you. The device you put on your throat, right below your chin right here, see where we're pointing? Yeah. It actually sends out electromagnetic pulses that don't disturb your sleep, but actually contract your muscles and open up your airways so you can breathe easier. And when you breathe easier, you sleep deeper and actually get into that REM sleep, rapid eye movement, and dream sleep that really is necessary for your health.
And it almost sounds like this Snore Circle was made and produced by a team of doctors and scientists that specifically study sleep and snoring.
If you want to learn more about them, I suggest you click on that link in the description below, because the team is listed there along with their research, and you can learn all about how the Snore Circle works and how effective it's been on people it's already been tested on. And if you choose to buy the Snore Circle, and we kind of recommend that you do because it works.
Yes.
You get everything included in the box, so to speak. You get your Snore Circle. They include 30 conductive strips. That's what you put right here below your chin. You connect the Snore Circle to that. You're good to go that way. You get your charging cable, a charging stand, your user manual, which has a QR code to download the app. It's all right there, and once you get it, you're good to go. You're also going to like the price.
Yes, the price is actually just $109.
For a good night's sleep?
I'd say that's worth it.
Yeah, I would agree. And there might be some special deals. You'd have to look for yourself. So we once again suggest you click on that link in the description below and check it out. And if you don't believe us, why don't we just show you how it works?
Come on.
We're going to go over here. We always go over here.
Yeah, always. It's literally right there is where I sleep. I don't leave the Good Tech Cheap office.
He's that dedicated to Good Tech Cheap.
Let's go.
All right, here we go.
So, I'm about to take a nap, but before I do, I'm going to attach our Snore Circle right here. So we've had it charging this whole time. Remember to charge always. And I'm just going to take it off, attach the magnets, and then I'm going to turn it on. And while I turn it on, and while I'm using it, I will be opening up the Sleep Plus app. So let's turn it on right now. Just hold that power button. Oh, yeah. And then, yep, already synced, already paired, no worries there. And we're just going to use it to track our sleep right now. So it should be pretty simple. And you can do a lot of cool stuff with this app in general. You can put sleeping songs, you can see the recording, you can do a lot, and you can track how much you're snoring throughout the week. So it's pretty decent. But let's go ahead and set this up right here. Each comes with two, so you only need one. I'll open this part up. This part just attaches to the magnets right here, so no fuss, no muss there. And this part attaches to your skin. And you can start going to bed. See you guys in a minute.
Would you look at that? Sleeping soundly. No snoring or anything. That's really cute, except for one thing. Adron, wake up! We have to finish the video?
Oh yeah. Okay. So, comes off really easy. Do not reuse these, by the way. And always make sure you actually turn it off. Yeah, as you could see, worked like a charm. Really simple to set up, really easy to use, and you can check your app to see how much you snored throughout the night, because we unfortunately don't always have a nice co-host to track our snoring and record it.
That was easy, right?
That was really easy. And I didn't even snore the whole day.
Was it uncomfortable at all?
No, not at all actually. Actually it was pretty comfortable and just super easy to put on. Barely noticed it.
Alright everyone, well that is what you can do to get a good night's sleep. If you want to check out Snore Circle, the technology behind it, customer reviews, and the science that goes along with it, link in the description below. $109, or maybe a little bit less. Check it out. You'll get a device that works better than nose straps or chin straps, just physical things that are uncomfortable and constrain your face. And you know what? It doesn't feel good. I've actually used some of them. Get this instead.
Thank you so much to Snore Circle for sponsoring this video. If you like the Snore Circle, please click on the link in the description below to buy this product and get more information on it. If you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, And please click on the notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
That's right, there's plenty more good tech cheap, and we're going to bring all of it to you.
Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been Adron.
I've been Kevin.
Stay safe.
Be kind.
And have a nice day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.